29th of April 2022 we have was it Tietotalo?
Yeah.
Yeah, Tietotalo. The Hervanta Campus of the University of Tampere. In Tampere Campus. Come on, yes, it has windows. It's a scenic elevator.
Yeah.
Best is 8 purchases, 600 grams.
Yeah.
Has 5 floors. Built in 2000. Otis 2000, turned 20 years old in 2020, it's going to be better this year. In 2022, this is really nice. The assume number is B180 2938. Nice view also.
Yeah.
Those two rides.
Yeah.
Maybe early 2000.
Yeah.
Here all the floors are open.
Yeah. Spectate vakivais, maintain balcony.
It's also fast enough.
Yeah.
Errors. You see that techniques there.
Yeah.
Counterweight of the door.
Yes.
There's a nice atrium there.
Yeah.
I hope also the other this staircase be also, I think, or something. Another one. Hopefully, it's also scenic.
Yeah.
Floor 2 is the main floor, correct?
Yeah. That's